Yeah. Yeah. Oh Lord. Holy raincoat. No, 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 no. Oh my gosh. No, bro. Oh my gosh. Guys. No. I hope I get headshotted, man. Like how the Switch players just got the most just normal names. Like Anthony Jackson. This guy got a little bit of a thing going on. Oh no. I spawned in front of Signal, guys. And Bard is at the barns. This is not gonna be good for them. I am a rotund chungus. Do you think they'll notice? If I crouch walk behind you? Alright, there's 3 guys. Alright, I'm coming. Chungus is coming. You haven't paid your taxes. I'm coming to collect. I feel like there's somebody here. That gave me a good spook. Alright, here I come. I hope you're ready for this. Hello? Anybody else? Don't mind that horrible aiming there. Is it even worth to loot these guys? No. I'm sorry. I mean, I'm not as sorry now, but I'm still sorry. Oh. Eat PKM. I didn't know the hipfire still works on this. Sure, I'll take that. I didn't even see him because I never look over there. I thought he'd be like here by now. Chungus is gonna grab all the loot and kill everyone. I don't want to go in there. I hope there's nobody upstairs. There could be. You know, maybe I will go in there. Maybe I will. This door's open. I smell a little guy sitting on the top. Let's see if the doors are open. That one isn't open. Alright, here we go. Nobody on the rafters? Okay. Alright. What's time? Oh shit. Ooh. I gotta hurry. Kinda worth it. Gonna be even more chungus. Alright, let's go. This gun takes so long to pull out, bro. Did you see how long it took for me to pull that gun out? I was like aging by the time I got that thing shooting. Oh, don't kill each other. Oh, hello. There's a guy up there. Look at that. It's like a little ant. You think he'll see me if I try sneaking up on him? Oh. Oh my god, my bad aim. Alright, I'm coming. I'm sorry. Sorry you guys had to see that. Chungus is coming. Element of surprise is gone. Not that it was ever there. Here I come. The fuck? Hello? Oh, 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 oh. Ah. That was a little sketchy, but we got it. Wait, I need one more kill, right? One more kill. Double Chungus. Alright, let's get it. I'm ready, I'm here. I heard you. It's over. Wait. Okay. I thought he was there. Hello? I'm blind. Is he in there? I think he's over there. Yeah, I think he's over there. It sounded like he was like right here. Alright. I hate stair fights, but I might have to do it. Alright, here I come. Oh. I don't like these bathrooms ever since you got that threat, old man. Oh, you have a scary gun. Die! Fair and balanced. Oh no, bro. Fair and balanced, am I right, gamers? Yo, these machine guns are kinda good.